Hi, this is Mike Jensen, and we're here to show you a couple of tutorials on how to resize your image and prepare it for image exhibition night at the Camera Club. And as you can see, I have selected two images, one landscape orientation and one portrait orientation. So we're going to show you how to do both of these. And all you have to do, real easy in Lightroom, this is Lightroom, right click and click Export. Then you slide over to Export with the dots. It brings up another menu. I'm going to select same folder as original folder. This is just how I do it. And then I'll move it to another folder for the Camera Club. I'm going to click on Put in Subfolder called LR Out. And I'm going to click Rename to a custom name. Now I have already put this in, but it's 2014 for the year, 01 for the month, and I'd like you to use the zeros until we get up to 10, and then just use 10, 11, 12. Your name first. Balloons Over Bend is not the title, so I'm going to call it Old Mill Area. And then I've got a place here for either theme, T, or O, open image. And as you can see, here's the example of what it will look like. This conforms right to the naming conventions that we want for the Camera Club. The next thing is to select your image format, which is JPEG, your color space, which is sRGB, and your file size, which is no larger than 1 megabyte or 1,000 kilobytes. In the sizing area, you want to make sure you click width and height, not dimensions. Width and height, no larger than 1400 by 1050. Resolution is fine at 240 pixels per inch. And make sure you uncheck any watermarking or copyrights, anything like that you might have put on there for other type of exhibition. Real easy enough, just click Export. It's going to go out there. And you saw it up in the upper left-hand corner of the progress bar. We're going to do the same thing to the portrait image. Just click Export. It's the same thing, although we're going to change the name here to Balloons Over Bend. Those are actually our balloons in this picture. And then, let's say this is a theme image. So, we're good to go. 2014, 01 for January. My name, Balloons Over Bend. Theme, JPEG. Same image format, JPEG. sRGB for the color space and the file size limitation. Again, width and height, no larger than 1400 by 1050 and a resolution of 240. We don't need any watermarks. We don't need any copyrights. We're going to click Export here. And you see the bar in the upper left. I'm going to bring up Adobe Bridge, and here's my files. So if I click on the landscape orientation file, I see that my size here is 1400 by 933. The file size is 637 kilobytes, which works perfect. And then I'm going to check my portrait, and it's 699 by 1050, so I'm good to go there. The size is 507, and as you can see, here are the file naming mechanisms. Now, if you forget to do this while you're exporting, you can always just click on it in Bridge or in Finder if you're on a Mac, in Windows File Explorer if you're on a Windows machine, and just highlight it and retype it in. It'll change the name. Easy stuff. Okay, so that's your tutorial in Lightroom.